Are you aware that your iPhone is keeping track of the places you frequently visit? With the significant location feature, your device is constantly recording your location data and using it to provide personalized location-based services. But did you know that this feature could potentially compromise your privacy? While this feature is designed to provide users with personalized location-based services, the location data collected by the device could also potentially be accessed by unauthorized parties or used in a malicious way. For example, if a hacker gains access to your iPhone or iCloud account, they could potentially access your significant location data and learn details about your daily routine and whereabouts. This type of information could be used for nefarious purposes such as stalking or identity theft. To turn off significant location on your iPhone or iPad, open Setting and then Privacy and Security. At the bottom, tap on System Services and then turn off significant location.